Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic point aboard this tiny ship. The mate was a mighty sailing man, the skipper brave and sure. 5 passengers set sail that day for a 3-hour tour, a 3-hour tour. The weather started getting rough, the tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost.
So this is our second stay on 1,000 Trails. This is our second 1,000 Trails adventure, right? Yeah. And it's a pretty big place. They've got over 250 campsites. Some are permanent, and some, just like our last one, some are like park models. Some are just people that have them here permanently and just come every weekend. They have nice little gazebos. They have everything where you can just kind of make it your lake house without having to spend a fortune.
She didn't go. No.
All right, let's see it.
If you don't know, then let me show you.
We're gonna help you get some ratings.
Oh yeah, I need some ratings, buddy. Wow, what is this? You guys tried to get away from us, but we found you.
I was saying that to get to this house, you have to go through this very dangerous tunnel.
Dangerous tunnel?
Yes, but it's young at heart kind of type of adventure.
Awesome. Awesome, I love it.
You face the danger without fear.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so let's have a tour.
We want to welcome young at heart to our humble place here.
Oh man, well
Lake Gaston.
we're just having a great time. Thanks for inviting us.
Thank you for coming. So the first step, dear audience, is I wanted to show you this terrace that I built for this garden that I built for my father. This is my father was my hero and one of the loves of my life. So I built this garden in his memory, and he lived in Honduras, Central America. So I really was having a hard time getting over his death, and with the distance, being my mom being far away, my brother and sister. So I spent 9 months building this every weekend. And as you can see, I built it because it's all crooked and kind of the fountain is not perfectly square, but I'm telling you, this helped me get over the pain. So anyway, in case anyone in our audience wants to some clues on how to deal with the loss, so this is my father's garden.
It's beautiful.
So as you can see, one of the things when we look at this property for the first time, one of the things that we really loved was this staircase. At first, we said, gee, this is going to be a barrier for our loved ones if we want to bring our friends and our family be able to get up and down. But at the end, we said, we can figure out a way around that by we put a tram, an electric tram on the side of the property so that when we have people who have difficulty going up and down the stairs, they can always take the tram. So why don't we go down? For us, this place is very special. It's kind of a little bit of paradise where we come and kind of disconnect from all the challenges of life. And but what really makes it special is when we have people like you, our friends, come in and share with us.
Oh wow! Well, we're honored to be here.
In my head, I have a master plan for this. I'm looking to build as we go down to the last terrace. So there's the basement level, then the second level terrace,
Mhm.
then third level, and then the fourth level down. At that fourth level, I'm looking to build a fountain. I don't know if you've been to Duke Gardens, and there's a big staircase in Duke Gardens, and at the very base of that staircase, there's a fountain.
Hmm.
And I was inspired by that, and I'm hoping someday I'm going to build a similar fountain over here. So.
This is beautiful. Wow. Wow, the stonework here is unbelievable.
The models over there, way.
Hi, models. Look at this stonework. Unbelievable.
I know, isn't it?
How do they even get all these blocks here?
I mean, think of it just being one big hill going down, and how you'd have to cut
Yeah,
into it, and then
right.
how many people, labor-wise, it would take to lay this.
How would you even get these blocks down here? I mean, it's crazy.
That's when the owners decided to build the stone retaining wall.
So we're getting in the trolley here, tram.
Okay.
Yeah. And we just push the button. Come on, we're going to go on the roller coaster.
She's been on this before. Yeah.
Yeah, but you haven't been on turbo mode. Oh, you're going to go that way?
Oh, you
All
are?
right.
Okay. Huh.
Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. You get going that way, and I'll get going this way. Oh, it's okay. You're good. There we are. We made it back in one piece. Yes, we did. We did. Beautiful piece. Oh, look at that.
You're so tall. Hey, you! No, you're not crazy. I'm talking to you. Travel adventure.